Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Noshirwan. I am from Peshawar and I am a part of Rescuer Tutors. And today I will teach you the subject Mathematics, grade 10, and our unit is Quadratic Equation. So in this chapter, we will first define what is quadratic equation, then its standard form, and then its solution. So all of you learned about the equation or algebraic equations. Like in the below example, we have three equations. 6y square minus 13y is equal to minus 5. This is one equation. Z square plus 11 is equal to 10z. This is second equation. X square plus 6x minus 40. This is the third equation. So each equation have with different variable. The first equation is with the variable y, second equation with the variable z, and third equation with the variable x. And if we see in each equation, the maximum power of the variable is 2. So quadratic equation we can define any equation with the maximum power or highest power 2, because quad mean 2. So these all threes can be defined as the quadratic equation. And now we will write how its standard form. Its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. And this is the quadratic equation with variable x, and a, b, c are the constant of this equation. The next step in each equation, algebraic equation, like quadratic equation is also an algebraic equation. So we will find its solution. And when we find its solution, for checking the solution, either it's right or wrong, we will put in the actual equation and it will satisfy, then it will be the right solution. So there are three methods of solving the quadratic equation. First method is by factorization method. Second is the by completing square method. And third one is the by formula method. So in today's lecture, we will do by the first method, by factorization method. Factorization method, as you are familiar by the name, factorization means you will factor some equation, and you will also use factorization method for finding the LCM and HCF. We will take one example from your exercise 1.1. X square plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. So in factorization method, we will check this is in a standard form or not. Below you will write the quadratic equation. So we can check that this is in the standard form. Now we will solve. So first term will multiply by last term. Your first term is x square plus x square, and last term is minus 40. So your result will be the minus 40x square. Now you will make these two factors, that you will, by adding or subtracting, you will get the middle term. This is 6x, and when you are multiplying, so you will get this minus 40x square. So there are many factors of 40, like 8 into 5, 40, 20 into 2, 40, But in this, anyone is not satisfying the adding property. So we will make the factors. This is 10, 4, and we need here plus sign. So with greater term you will put the plus sign. This is plus 6x, and when you are multiplying this, so you will get minus 40x square. So now we will put these two factors instead of 6x. These are plus 10x minus 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. Making pair of 2 and taking common x plus 10, and in these two minus sign and minus 4, no variable common, no, this is common, x plus 10, x minus 4 is equal to. So there are two solutions, either x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. If x plus 10 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 10, and if x minus 4 is equal to, then x is equal to 4. So solution set will be minus 10 and 4. So this is the solution set of this equation. So now we will check it by putting in the actual equation. Actual equation is this: x square plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to minus 10 square plus 6 minus 10 minus 40, 100 minus 40 minus 40. So 160 minus 100, this is 40 minus 40, so this will come 0. Or again we will put x is equal to 4, so 4 square plus 6 and 4 minus 40 is equal to 0. So this is 16 plus 24 minus 40, so this is plus 40 minus 40. So both x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to 4 satisfy the actual equation. So our solution is right. So for more practicing, you will do your exercise 1.1, at least 5 questions, and in next lecture we will discuss about the other 3 methods. If you want my services, so you can call the number on the screen.